for my series of testing different foundations, I came across this one, and I really doubted that it was going to do very good. I've already got it on, but this is, my nose keeps itching, sorry about that. Super Stay Full Coverage by Maybelline. Guess you can see that. Yeah, it actually did pretty good coverage, and I have no, what am I trying to say? No concealer down or anything, which I'm going to grab a little bit now because I have a few places that I do need some help. Take this one. I've got a couple of spots. I've got those under the eye. Let me see here. Okay, now I'm going to use some of my minerals. I'm going to be using Concrete Minerals today, and I'm going to use the colors Risque, Altar of Roses, Living Dead, and then probably Revolver. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Altar of Roses because it is the lighter of the two that I chose. But I'm going to have to pull some brushes because I don't have any out. And some of these are going to be brushes that I'm not familiar with because my other brushes right now are in a different part of the house, and I'm not going to go find them. This brush is an Ulta Beauty brush, so I'm going to see how it does. No, it didn't do very well. Okay, that was bright. Okay, so not loving the Ulta Beauty brush so far. It'd probably be okay if I wasn't using this loose pigment. I'm going right in over that into the crease line. With the Risque. We know I always have these weird things going on when I start. Okay, get the lids off of these other two. I always start with the electric eye primer because that will prime the eyes and help the loose pigment loose pigment minerals eyeshadows stick to your eyes better. Okay. Okay, that is okay, but I think I want to go in with my Color Pop. Okay, so I went in with my Color Pop Concealer 00 and made a cut crease. Now I'm going in Hi, I'm back. It didn't quite finish recording everything that I like to record before I paused, but this eye look was accomplished using concrete minerals. I will have the colors listed below. I also used Revolution Unicorn Foil in the inner corners. I don't know what I'm forgetting. I know there's something I didn't do. It's a little darker than what I normally like, you know, to have my eyes. I went a little further, I think, up with the dark. But I hope you enjoyed the look, and I will see y'all next time.